I made, all the chances that I take, never learn to appreciate our time. Lie awake all through the night, memories by candlelight, keep them safe locked inside my mind. I heard you calling to me, you called to me, I know now I am
Something's tearing me down, and I can't help but feel it's coming from you. She's a gunshot bride, the triggered cries. I just wonder what we've gotten ourselves into. In a trail of fire, I know we will be free again. In the end, we will be one. In a trail of fire,
I'm looking for a lover, not a friend. Somebody who can be there when I need someone to talk to. I'm looking for someone who won't pretend. Somebody not afraid to say the way they feel about you. And I'm looking for someone who understands how I feel. Someone who can keep it real and who knows the way I like to have it my way. And I'm looking for someone who takes me there, wants to share, shows he cares. Thinking you're the